My predecessor wrote the words dangerous storm to really elevate the language for mariners of what was upcoming.
In the last week of October 1991, three major weather systems came together to form what NOAA meteorologists refer to as the perfect storm. Right around October 28th, there was the recently formed Category 2 Hurricane Grace moving along the East Coast. At that same time, a cold front was passing over New England before merging with a very strong high-pressure front building over southeast Canada. This merge created a nor'easter so strong that it absorbed a now tropical storm Grace, creating a powerhouse storm. I spoke with meteorologist Joe Sinkowitz, who is now the chief of the Ocean Applications Branch at the Ocean Prediction Center for NOAA. But before that, he forecasted this storm from start to finish.
It was short-lived. It actually moved east and northeastward. It actually was a flight in it, and it had 85 knots of wind. But again, it was a very small, it literally is the unnamed hurricane of 91.
What would have been a Category 1 Hurricane Henri was left without a name to keep from confusing the public. And it turned out rainfall was not the main focus for the coastline.
This was a wave, for New England, this was a wave and coastal inundation event. High tide because of the storm, but then also waves, big waves on top of that.
It generated large waves as far south as Florida and the Caribbean. Windows at former President George H.W. Bush's home in Kennebunkport were blown out and water flooded the ground floor. Maine was left with $3 million in damages, but out in the open ocean, the waves were unimaginable.
The buoy observations as the event was ongoing were just shocking as to how high the buoy waves were. But a maximum wave of 99 feet, that is just hard to fathom.
That's as tall as a 10-story building. Sinkowitz said that the wave was recorded by an ocean buoy located in the western Canadian waters, right near where the famous Andrea Gale fishing boat was last heard from. For the National Weather Desk, I'm meteorologist Emily Santom.